So there are so many different ways you can grow your YouTube channel, and one of the most important part is obviously to post videos. And I will share with you 3 different ideas that you can do in order to grow your channel. And these 3 ideas is not only ideas, but they are concepts, they are different stuff that you can do and apply to a bunch of your videos. You can take one of those stuff and just change them a bit, and boom, you have a new idea and a new idea. And it's basically just an idea machine that we are going to be talking about today. So stick around until the very end, and I will be telling you all of that research that I have done in order to help you guys out a bit. So let's go ahead. The first one, you have the typical versus videos. And the thing is, if you don't know the versus videos, $1 versus na. You can do the same thing with your channel, but it doesn't have to be a money amount. It can be, for example, in my case, I have already made a video where I'm talking about regular YouTube videos like you're watching right now and YouTube Shorts and the benefits between them. And that is sort of like a versus video, helping your audience understanding the difference between this thing and this other thing. Or you can apply to so many different stuff that are related to your niche, your YouTube topic. It's all about thinking about, okay, how can I versus, what can I versus, how can I talk about this thing and also talk about this other thing, and how can I compare them together? And there are so many different ways you can apply this to your videos also. Over to number 2. This one is what I would like to call the show and tell. This one can be an unboxing video, it can be a review. It's basically your type of video in your niche where you are able to show and talk about something that is related to whatever topic that you have on your channel. In my case, for example, I made this video about vidIQ, where basically I was doing a tutorial and also a review of the vidIQ software, and you can check that video out later on. But basically that video brought in so many new viewers, and also the vidIQ team saw the video and they decided to comment down on underneath that video. So you can make sort of different types of show and tell. You can show off a new product. In my case, for example, if I have a new camera, I can talk about it, I can unbox it. There are so many different ways that you can apply show and tell to your own videos. And now over to the third one. This is probably the most important. This one is probably the easiest to apply to every single one of your videos. And that is basically asking the question, why, how, and make sure that your videos have some sort of question related to your video. How to blah blah blah. There are basically a bunch of people on YouTube searching for different stuff every single day. They are searching for how to bake a cake, how to build a house, how to do this very specific thing that you can provide with your videos. If you on your YouTube channel have like a DIY channel and you are building different stuff, it could be out of wood, it could be 3D printing, it doesn't really matter, because people will search on YouTube, how do I build, how can I make, People are searching why and hows all of the time. And it doesn't really need to be a specific tutorial, but to have the question how to get monetized. For example, in my case, how to use vidIQ. Another example. I am not asking that question with my video. My video title is basically just the search term how, because people are searching how, so that's why I'm titling my video how. Keep in mind, don't try to force how into every single title. Try to think to yourself, is this even a question? If you're just showing off your new bike, then it's probably, oh, I'm showing off my new bike. It doesn't have to be how I'm showing off my new bike, if you get my drift. Like, you don't need to have how, but if you're able to, you should at least try to have how in your title if it's relevant for your video. And since we have been talking so much about vidIQ, I strongly recommend you watch this video up next. Remember to subscribe and leave your comment in the comment section if you have any questions, and I will see you guys in the next one. Esbjorn, peace out, bye bye, goodbye, bye bye bye.